Hello everyone, here's my Canada B-32 leaky tank on, where I have glued from basically both sides now, from here all the way down and from here all the way down. Apparently, from my previous video you saw that the base was all blackened and they just ran out all the sweat solder out. This has been filled with Gorilla super glue gel and set about 12-13 hours overnight. Right now she's pretty much under steam. This is my second steaming, so we're looking at about 20 minutes or so under steam. So I ran over steam, turned it off, filled it up with some more water, and now she's I think ready to go full speed. There we go, going very fast. There we go, lots of good whistle. We'll take her back down to see how slow I can take her. Pretty slow. Oh, that was it. There we go. Running pretty good. Doesn't seem to be any major leaks anymore. And she can run like a banshee. Looking very pretty. Thank you for watching. Bye now.